And hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn a Trade. My name is Kevin Tate. Glad to be here with you all today. Today's broadcast is titled How to Handle a Nuisance Call. Now, don't get the wrong idea when I say a nuisance call. These calls are calls that you get from time to time out there in the field, and some of them can be troublesome, but for the most part, I want to make it clear that you can also um, get paid through these calls too. I don't want, you know, some of you that may be new to the industry and you may be starting your own business and moving on calls, and you may get calls that sometimes you don't find anything wrong. You don't find any issues with what the customer is saying they're having issues with. And a lot of times I found that these can be operator error. These can be due to operator error. So I want to share this video with you. This is a call that I went to. I'm going to share with you in a moment after I go through a couple of things, because I just want to make it clear to you that when you have these calls that I call nuisance calls, they're calls when you go out and you get a call, and it may be a pump leaking, or a valve leaking, or it could be any number of things. You know, it could be on Slurpee machines, soda, ice, whatever. But in most cases, you'll take the call and you'll go out on the call, and you won't find anything wrong. You won't find what they're saying is going on. So it is important for you to document, what you're doing. Document your steps. Take pictures. Make sure you have everything that you're doing. Make sure you have it documented. It's important. It's important for you as a business, and even if you're working for another company, it's important for the other company to be able to have pictures or video of the steps that you took to diagnose the problem that the customer said they were having, and that you didn't see the issue. So I want to specify that to you so that you make sure that you cover yourself by documenting your work. It's the best thing you could ever do, is document your work you have your cell phone camera. Um, you use that to your advantage. Take pictures of the steps that you're taking, and you'll get through it. And it's like, if it's your own business, then you definitely want to make sure that you're documenting everything. Whether it's your own business, somebody else's business that you're working for, it's always, as a technician, it's important to do that. So make sure you document your work. The other thing is, when you have these nuisance calls, don't get upset about it. Stay calm. Go through your process to make sure that you're not missing anything, and then explain to the customer that you're not finding the issue. And if they are not able to point out to you what they were seeing at that point, document that and make sure that you specify that um, the customer stated that such and such happened with the water valve, or with a water pump, or with a dispense valve, or with the ice maker, whatever it is. Make sure you document what they're telling you, and then document what you're going over. So when you get these calls, these types of calls, there's no action that you can take if something's not broken. There's nothing for you to do, other than write it up, um, document everything. Make sure that you call if you have a dispatcher, call your dispatcher, let them know you found nothing wrong um, on your invoice or your work ticket. Write up everything on your work ticket as you seen it, as you went through the process. Make sure you document everything. Put it down on the work ticket, put it on your invoice. And then you want to make sure, the key point is making sure that you get paid for that call. You want to make sure you should at least get paid for your trip charge, any parts you may have used, okay? Your time, you get your trip charge in there, get your start time, your end time, and that's a billable call. You showed up to the call, and you should get paid for your time and materials if you used any. Okay, so I want to make that part clear before we get started into it, and I'm going to go ahead and let the video run, and then you can see the process that I took. And the other thing is, I'd really like to thank our newest channel member, Vaniel Tate. I appreciate you, brother, and thank you for your support, and welcome. Welcome to the channel. And I'd like everyone to, please, feel free to, reach out and welcome brother Vaniel to the community. And I really look forward to everyone getting involved in this way and becoming a member and getting more information through the perks that are available, through the full length videos that are available on the channel, also to the members. So take advantage, take a chance to look at the perks that are available and everything like that, and consider becoming a member. And once again, thanks again, Vaniel, for your support. I appreciate you and look forward to talking with you and you enjoying the videos. So thanks a lot. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and get into this video. Let me see if I can set it up right here. Give me a moment. Here we go. All right, and please, you should be able to hear everything. Everything should be clear, and there may be a little background noise on this video because I'm right inside of a back room where the bib pumps are and stuff like that. But you should be able to hear everything pretty clear. So um, let me know what you think. Any questions or comments you have, leave them in comments. Reach out to me on the community section, and I'll get back to you. And I appreciate you all. Check out this video. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn to Trade. My name is Kevin Tate. Today I'm going to be going in on a service call. I'm just picking this service call up. It came through on my way home, but I'm going to go ahead and pick this call up. It sounds like it's at a movie theater, and in the back room they're saying they have a leak, so it's possibly a leaking pump. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my flow jet pump. That's the part number there for the replacement pump. I'm going to go in with my pump, a few buckets, just in case I need to drain anything out, and also a couple of Odeker clamps in case I need to reconnect anything. So I'm going to go in, check it out, see what we got going on. Yeah, so I'm in the back room. It seems like their back room light is not working correctly, but I got my flashlight, so just gonna see here. I'm not seeing any leaks. Looks like all of these pumps are on. All of the fittings are intact. Usually if there is a CO2 leak, they have the lines pulled out of the pump because it just keeps pumping out CO2. Let's see here. Got some pumps back here. Those are all in. Those are in place. That looks like it's in place also. Right here, one pumping right now. Not seeing any leaks. Well, let me go see if there's another area where there's big pumps at, and then we'll check from there. Give me 1 second. Okay, so on this call, it seems to be a miscommunication of some type. I've checked all of the pumps over here. I know it's a little dark, but I put my flashlight up now because this is considered, a miscommunication call or a nuisance call. But all of the pumps are operational. And what I believe happened is if you look at these bibs down here, these are installed by Coca-Cola. So aren't these pumps right here, these two pumps. These are for their freestyle machines. So those are installed, they're pumping through. These three bibs right here for their Slurpee machines, which are installed by Icy Company. And they have their three bib pumps down here, in which you can see, well, I've already checked, but none of them are leaking out. So let me just show you what I did. I basically got my bucket, took a walk over to the machines themselves just to see, because if there was an issue with the pumps, especially with the Slurpee machine, you would see blinking lights. Okay, so this one right here, it's down because it's in defrost mode. It's just getting out of defrost mode. So that one's good. But what I did was I went ahead and I took my bucket out and I dispensed product from each of these. And then when you dispense product from the valves, you're gonna get those pumps to turn on. And all of them turned on fine. They're all saying ready. The number one barrel, that's in defrost mode right now. That just went into defrost mode, but these are all reading good. And over here on the freestyles, I've dispensed product from each of these, and they're all dispensing. They're all dispensing fine. And as you've seen in the back room, there's no pumps that are leaking. If they were leaking, you would have heard it. Let's do a Coke over here. Yeah, so, I mean, they're all dispensing. There's really not much you can do when you're not seeing the issue. So I'm going to have to go ahead and close out this call. And, this will still be a billable call for the trip charge and the diagnosis and stuff like that. But as far as it being a leak, I'm not really seeing I'm not seeing any signs of a leak or anything. Because you definitely would hear it. So just wanted to show you all that and let you see that door is slammed pretty hard. But I just wanted to let you see that, and I'm gonna call it the dispatch and let them know that they could close this call out, and we'll bill it out for the trip charge and diagnosis. But that's all I have, everyone. Thanks for your time. Sorry I didn't have a little more, but there's really nothing to repair here. All right, take care. Stay well.